Welcome to the SEEP Wetlands ecosystem. Some biotic factors that make up the SEEP ecosystem are mosses and grasses, little blue herons, and squirrels. Some abiotic factors are lots of water, sunlight, and moist and humid air.
5 species from our ecosystem include little blue herons, maiden cane grasses, knotweed grasses, torpedo grass, and elephant grass. The little blue heron, its breeding habitat is subtropical swamps and colonies with other blue herons. They stalk their prey methodically in shallow water, often running as they do so. Little blue herons eat fish, frogs, crustaceans, small rodents, and insects. Maiden cane grass is a short grass that grows in water or wet soils, and it only grows in fresh water. It is most dense on the drier sites and wet habitats, but can also tolerate months of flooding. Deer, Florida panthers, and American alligators are all found in maiden cane habitats. In some places, the plant is considered a weed when it becomes very dense, and controlled burns are sometimes initiated to thin the plant. Knotweed grass, also known as polygonum, is a plant that is occasionally eaten by humans and is used as food plants by the larvae of some Lepidoptera species, which are moths and butterflies. The leaves of this plant can vary in shape between species, but the stems are always reddish or red speckled. The flowers from this plant are pink, white, or greenish, forming in summer in dense clusters from the leaf joints or stems.
Torpedo grass, also known as Panicum repens, is a plant that has large branching rhizomes which are thick and pointed. The pointed shape of a rhizome tip gives the plant the name torpedo grass. It has become one of the most serious weeds in Florida, spreading to more than 70% of the waterways in the state. It also displaces native plants. Elephant or Napier grass is a type of grass that is native to the African grasslands. Recently, this grass has been incorporated into a pest management strategy. This technique involves the desired crop being planted alongside a push plan which repels pests in combination with pull crop around the perimeter of the plot, which draws insects out of the plot.
For our food web, the red boxes represent the consumers, the orange boxes are the producers, and the green box represents the decomposers of this ecosystem.
Starting at the bottom, we have the organisms in the soil, which moves up to the soil, which will give minerals to our maiden cane, elephant grass, knotweed, and torpedo grass. The insects in our ecosystem feed on these grasses, and the birds, like the one in our picture, will feed on the insects.
For our Venn diagram, when we compared SEEP to the other ecosystem we observed, which was the upland pine ecosystem, the SEEP ecosystem had lots of water, herons and cranes, plants that thrive in water, not many trees in some areas, humid air, and lots of sunlight. The upland pines ecosystem had dry dirt, tall pine trees, flowers, bushes, bumblebees, birds' nests, and lots of shade. Their similarities included squirrels, bugs, and tall grasses.
For more information about the SEEP Wetlands ecosystem, please visit natal.ifas.ufl.edu.